The 787 Dreamliner fleet has carried more than 1 billion travelers, redefining global connection through the innovations that set the 787 apart. Bringing loved ones together, enabling new discoveries, cultural exchange, and economic growth. The 787 was designed to connect people and places like never before. From Tokyo to Toronto, Los Angeles to London, Nairobi to New York. 1 billion passengers is just the beginning, made possible by the airlines and operators who dream with us, and the thousands of engineers, technicians, and partners worldwide who have a critical role in building each airplane. Over 1 billion passengers have felt the 787 Dreamliner difference. Now, it's your turn.